Until recently, Microchip's MPLAB X IDE and MPLAB XC compilers came only with inbuilt support for Microchip devices that were available at the time of their release. This was convenient, but if you wanted to commence projects targeting new devices, you had to wait for new versions or patches of your IDE and compiler before you could proceed. Microchip has updated its tools so that device support is now handled by Device Family Packs, or DFPs, and this change offers several advantages. Device Family Packs are a way of packaging and distributing device support files, and are used in the latest MPLAB X IDE and XC compilers. These tools now have the ability to read these files on a device-by-device basis, and from arbitrary locations. The use of DFPs segregates the tool and its support for devices, so that both can be updated independently and in a more timely manner. Future versions of the tools will no longer need to wait for device support files to be ready before they can be released, and nor will device support need to be delayed, waiting for an update to the tool they would have normally shipped with. The content of Device Family Packs includes compiler-related device-specific header files, configuration bit data and libraries, as well as device information displayed by the IDE and algorithms it uses to program and debug the device. Device support for both the IDE and install compilers is now easily managed from within the IDE. Your projects are not tied to using one version of the compiler or DFP. The compiler and DFP version for each project can be independently selected, and the IDE will also let you see new DFPs and allow you to download them with a simple click. New DFPs may correct known issues in the resources used by the IDE or compilers. However, they will never patch or improve the IDE or compiler applications themselves. This still takes place through the release of new versions of those products. When you create a project in the IDE, a DFP will be automatically selected. In the Project Properties dialog, you can see the selected pack. You can also see this information in the dashboard. And when you build a project, the pack and version number is printed in the output view after the build transcript. During the IDE's installation, only those DFPs relating to device families you require need to be installed. To save disk space and speed the installation process, you might install no device support at all. When you create a new project for a device with no available DFP, you will be prompted to download the relevant pack for just that device family. DFPs that are individually downloaded are stored separately to the IDE in your user directory, where they can be used by all IDE installations. The IDE's Pack Manager is opened from the Tools, Packs menu. It lets you see what new and updated DFPs are available, which devices they support, and what changes they implement. Install packs by clicking the links. The compilers are distributed with the content of the latest DFPs so that they can be used standalone. But other or newly released DFPs can also be used when you build. The -mdfp command line option lets you use an alternate DFP path, or when using the compiler from within the IDE, select the required DFP from the Packs pane in the Project Properties dialog, and the IDE will do the rest. DFPs are listed even when old compilers are selected. The IDE will let these tools use their inbuilt device support, but the IDE itself may still use the selected pack. And in case you're wondering how a seemingly out-of-date IDE will let you select a newly released device, the IDE queries an online index file to fill out the device selection widget in the IDE's Project Properties dialog. So, provided your IDE has internet access, it is aware of new devices released after your IDE was downloaded. You'll see device family packs already in use when you next run the latest MPLAB X IDE and XC compilers. Make sure you explore the new DFP controls to ensure that you can easily update and manage the device-related features used by your tools and projects.